If your Google Maps blue dot is missing or your current location is not showing, this video will show you how to fix it quickly. First, open your phone settings, and after that, go to App. Tap on it. You can see the App Management. Tap on it. After, we'll find Google Maps. You will see the permission. Tap on it. Now go to the location. Now choose Allow all the time or Allow only while using the app, and also enable Precise Location if you see that option. After that, go back and open Google Maps. Tap the location icon on the bottom right corner, and wait a few seconds. In many cases, the blue dot starts appearing immediately. Your blue dot or current location should now appear normally. And that's how to fix Google Maps location not showing, Google Maps blue dot missing, and GPS not working problems easily.